Hello all traders. Today is Thursday, 13th of February 2025, and we're going to look at the trades that we have taken on Nasdaq, Dow Jones, and S&P 500 futures and CFDs. If you look at the 1-hour macro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating above the previous day close during the Asian session, and it started to go down during the London session. Then it recovered and passed this level pre-market, and by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see that after New York market opening and the economic news release, there was some high volatility and price fluctuated at this level, and finally buyers came back and passed this wide range bar and became bullish. So our plan of action was to wait for the volatility to calm down and see the reaction of price to this level and wait for a deep pullback, and when the buyers come back we take long positions in a well-established uptrend. So that's what happened, and later afternoon around 1 o'clock when I came back, the price was testing this level of support here, and then I took long positions with setup B and C on Nasdaq and also on S&P 500 with setup B, 3 positions each, and I closed them on the upper area of channel with profits. And since the volatility was high and we reached the daily target, I didn't took any more trades on this futures platform account, and all these signals were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts, and you see performance on this account which shows it was positive, showing profit factor of 99, which is infinite and it cannot be calculated because we reached a win rate of 100% from the 6 long positions taken, with the average winning trades that were 169 and the largest winning trade which was $255. So that was the summary of the trades that I have taken on some of the futures platform accounts. And on the small 5K CFD platform account, I took 4 long positions on Dow Jones and Nasdaq, and you see here the entry and exits. When the price was testing this area of support, I took long positions on Nasdaq here and Dow Jones several positions, and all of these were closed with profit. And since volatility was high, I used a small lot size again. These trades resulted in a total profit of $81.10 with the profit factor of 3.44, and we can see it from 150 trades taken so far. We had 124 winners with the average win rate of 82.67%. And as you see, the equity curve is growing linearly, and this shows the percentage of drawdown, which is still less than 0.5%. That is 10 times less than the daily loss limit of 5% imposed by the CFD prop firm to pass the second stage of this challenge. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping on the futures prop firm accounts and also the small CFD prop firm account is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.